Alright, we sold 49,000 blenders last month. That puts us just a little bit under Blender Co. We should definitely pass them within the year. We can spare some funds for... Hey, Brooke, what's that smell? Christ, Brooke, I told you to stop drinking that damn hot sauce.
Come on, Abel, you know I need this.
We need to focus. Blender Co's been ahead of us for too long, and even if we do pass them, there's no telling that we won't be able to do it again. You know what we need to do, don't you?
We need to kill the CEO.
Yeah, that's right, buddy. We're gonna... No. No, you see, we need to take their product before they push it out, and we gotta push it out before them.
Oh, yeah, right.
I'm sure he suspects us. He's probably thinking of something to keep us out of the picture right now.
Mr. Bossman, I really think you're gonna love it. I've come up with a whole new ad campaign, and it's what people like these days. Dudes kissing.
I love it.
And a blender.
Alright, come on, Mark. We gotta go. We gotta hurry.
Nice try, idiot.
Alright. Take one. Hey, Brooke, why are you in the back?
Well, the camera's in the passenger seat, so I can't.
Yeah, okay.
Oh, I'm sick.
What happened?
Oh. Well, you suck at driving. Jesus.
I had to reverse out.
All right. Just go.
Yeah. We're only like 5 miles away, so it really shouldn't take that long. It's only like 20-minute drive. You grabbed the car keys, right?
The keys to this car.
Yes. I told you to grab them on the way out.
No.
You don't have them?
No.
I don't have them.
Oh, Jesus.
We have to go back?
I guess so.
Yeah, okay. Damn it, Brooke.
Hey, Abel.
Yeah.
Have you ever seen a woman in real life?
Oh my god. You believe that? Those are fairy tales. They're stories told to children.
Let me in.
No. Damn.
Hey, look, a girl.
A girl? What's that?
What are you doing? So boss, you can see from all these stonks, right? Here's your favorite charts and pies. Here's your favorite pies and charts. I feel like it's gonna be a good year.
Are you sure?
Actually, I'm not that sure. This could be upside down, which means.
I mean, what does this all mean? That's what I hired you for.
Well, so it's clearly a circle, right?
It is?
It's a circle.
Oh.
So I'm pretty sure that means coins, because coins are also
Coins.
circular.
Oh.
So this means money, but very small amounts of money. But there's so many different circles, it's got to mean a lot of money, which is why I made this graph, which means a lot of money.
Up is good.
Up is good.
Up is good.
Up is good. Unless I flip it like this, then it's bad, because we're losing money.
But the air is going up.
The arrow is going up right now, which is good for us.
Okay. Just don't turn it upside down or
Yes,
we'll go
it's
bankrupt.
it's very false plan. But money is doing good.
Money's doing good.
Money is doing good. I mean, look at all this money. Look at all this. It's good. It's up here.
All right, now get over here and make your pull shot.
All right, my bad.
Listen, man, I'm sorry for making your job harder. I come here with a peace offering. Sriracha sauce.
Oh, thanks, man.
Get wrecked, noob! Oh yeah, my hot sauce.
Thank you.
Come here.
I'm the bruh guy.
Bruh. Door. Huh, what's this? Interesting.
Hey!
Close the door. Close the door, bro. I'm going. Bro, close the door.
I'm trying.
That didn't go well.
I think it went okay.
You got kicked out.
Yeah, well, I think the guard kind of likes me. It went well, yeah. He asked me out to lunch.
What?
Yeah, I'm serious. Abel, I can't wait to take him out to lunch. It's gonna be so much fun. Oh, I'm gonna take him to that new olive restaurant down the street. Have you seen their never-ending pasta bowl? It never ends.
Brooke, hey, Brooke, buddy. Did you find anything useful while you were in the Blender Co?
Well, when the cute guard was escorting me off the premises with his big arms, he mentioned to me that you were looking for new employees at the company.
Really?
Yeah.
Did you see anything for like hiring?
Oh yeah. There were posters all around the outside of the
That's
conference.
perfect. I go in, I act like I want to be hired, and I get an interview. Then I meet with the boss, gain access to the new product, and we take it. Bro, I don't need to be sitting back here. We just need to move that damn camera.
What? I had to sit back there. Now you have to sit back there. It's all good.
I don't want to sit back. I can drive to the interview, Brooke. You don't need to take the wheel.
What do you mean by that?
Brooke, there's a squirrel.
Okay. All right. Thanks.
Yeah. It's the HQ is 10 miles away. That's like a 10-minute drive.
Hey, just because I can't feel my legs doesn't mean I can't drive places.
When was the last time you drove a car?
Well, it's been a while. I'm just getting my practice in.
We should practice in the driveway.
No, it's okay. See,
my
we're almost there. Here we go.
Brooke, I want to drive home.
No,
I'm taking the wheel on the way back.
no, shut up.
All right. Just let me out of the car.
Okay, all right, fine. Get out.
Can you open the door?
I don't know. How do you drive a car?
All right. Thank you.
Yeah.
I'll tell you how it goes.
Good luck.
I'm here for the interview.
Right this way?
Thank you very much.
I don't care that you're 5 minutes late. Late is late, and we don't do that here at Blender Co. Oh, you here for the interview?
Hi. I'm here for the interview. Where'd the body go?
Must have been the wind.
This place is a big office. You got something wrong, like down here? Is it
I don't know what you're insinuating here, my guy.
small or?
Sir, I'll have you know, I drive a monster truck, okay?
All right. About that interview.
Oh yeah, let me call the boss.
Yeah.
What's up?
Hey, we got a new hire here, ready for the interview. Should I send them up?
No, I'm busy right now.
Well, I gave him the application. It's all filled out. If you got a minute, he seems promising.
What'd you say?
Well, he filled out his application. It seems pretty promising. Would you like me to send him up?
No. I like, we got a big investor, maybe send him in tomorrow for like 3 o'clock. That sounds about right, yeah.
You got it, sir. Sorry, man. He's really busy now. Must be important. Come back tomorrow at 3?
Thanks. Can I use the bathroom?
Yeah, they're in the house.
Thank you. Huh. Anybody in there? Hey. You shy? Won't come out?
No.
I get that too.
Very cool.
Crazy day, huh? Mondays, am I right?
Yeah, who are you?
Oh, my name's Abel.
Abel.
Yeah.
Okay, what do you do here?
Oh, I'm trying to get a job, but I haven't been hired yet.
Trying.
Do you work here?
I own the place.
You're the boss?
Yeah.
Oh, well, it's nice to meet you.
So, you said you're looking for a job.
Yeah, I'm interested.
Okay. Can you do anything special or of use?
I know how to speak Spanish.
What about Japanese?
No. That's Spanish for no, by the way.
I like you. Yeah. You're hired.
Yes. Thank you very much.
Anytime. Now, can I go to the bathroom?
Yeah, I'll give you space.
Actually, not. I'll let you have it. I can go some other time.
Thank you. Oh, this is it. Blender. All right.
Hey! Sorry about that.
Yeah.
Hey, your shoes are untied.
Oh, thanks.
Don't want you tripping out there.
Yeah.
Have you seen their never-ending pasta bowl? Never ends.
Bro, you're so funny.
Thanks.
We gotta go, come on.
Hey!
I can feel my legs!
you.